In this video, we will talk about how to fix you do not have access rights to Logical Disk Manager on laptop. Method 1. Enable administrative account permission. Click in Search. Type Control. Select Open. Click on User Accounts. Again, click on User Accounts. Select Change your account type. Enter your account administrative password. Select Administrator and click on Change Account Type. Then, right-click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Method 2. Restart Disk Management. Click in Search. Type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Type Net Stop VDS and press Enter. Then type Net Start VDS and press Enter. Method 3. Virtual Disk Service. Click in Search. Type Services. Select Run as Administrator. Here, search for Virtual Disk. Right-click and select Properties. Change the startup type to Automatic. Click on Start if it's not running, and click on Apply and OK. Then click on Windows icon and restart your PC. So that's how you can fix you do not have access rights to Logical Disk Manager on laptop. See you in the next video.